Hello and welcome to my video. This is for my MacBook Air that I purchased. I got the 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD model, which is the base model, for $540, which I think is a steal. Premium quality renewed is what I got here. I needed something for school. I had been using my iPad Air and there just were some programs that I could not access for school. They needed a computer. So opening the box, I am very pleased. I got an Amazon Renewed box that is sealed. This is the first time that I am purchasing an Amazon Renewed product that is packaged this way. Usually it's just a box in a box and your item is in the box. No protection, no sealing, just thrown in a box with a charger. That is not the case here. I will say one difference is when I got my Amazon Renewed, I made sure that the seller was Amazon. They have different sellers, different companies that sell through the Amazon Renewed program. But when you purchase from Amazon through the Amazon Renewed program, I notice you get better quality items. Very happy with this. It wasn't just in a sealed box, but also sealed inside to keep it from bouncing around during shipping, which is nice. It's just reassuring. And I will say, I'm very happy with the quality of this computer. It came with Apple Care on it that is valid through March of 2026. And here we go, and it's flawless. And my charging brick and cord, and what I was really impressed with is that it came with the Apple charging brick. Usually you get a third-party charging brick, which I don't really care for. But this one, they sent Apple, which is nice. And it's used, so there are some scuffs on it, but it works. The charging cord was a little dirty, but that's fine. Just wipe it down with an alcohol wipe, clean it up. And I purchased a premium quality renewed. I prefer the premium quality because not only do you get a better product, but you also get a 1-year guarantee. So if you have any problems or issues for 1 year, you can always have it replaced. And this is in perfect shape. A few smudges I just wiped off with my finger, but a little bit of dust, I guess, from shipping. But this is perfect. Just a little dust I'm wiping off there, but this is immaculate. There are no scratches anywhere, no dents on the computer. There was one real tiny scratch in the upper right hand corner, and I mean way in the upper right hand corner of the screen, but otherwise this is in pretty good shape. I could see this possibly being like a floor model or something at a store, but it's in really good condition. I'm really happy with this. So if you're looking for a computer for a child, for yourself, as I said earlier, I am a student. I needed a computer. Didn't really want to spend a whole lot of money. This fit the bill for me. And this is something that will last. Apple products do last, which is why I prefer them over anything else. Performance is amazing with this. Even though it's entry level, it does pretty much everything most people need to do. And I went to check the battery health, and it was at 100%, which is amazing. I don't have to worry. And here we have a shot of the backlit keyboard and the screen at night. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.